Hello viewer, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to solve a word problem using combinational analysis. So let us see this question on the board. A class contains 9 male students and 7 female students. Find the numbers of ways can 6 students be selected from the class. Roman numeral 1 say it can be from any student. It can be from any student, meaning it can be male, it can be from male student or female student. So this is combination question because so solution. Roman numeral 1 say it can be from any student. So it can be from either male or female student. So from this equation we have 9 males and 7 female. 9 male students plus 7 female students, which will give me 16 students. 16 students. Then let's go to the question. It can be from any student. So the formula to calculate this equation is n combination r. So, and this formula can further be expressed as n factorial all over n minus r factorial r factorial. So let us substitute into this formula. My n is the total number of students, while my r is the number of selection. So let us substitute into this formula. I have n, which is 16 combination 6, because we are selecting 6 from 16 students, which is equal to 16 factorial all over 16 minus 6 factorial 6 factorial. So it will give me 16 factorial all over 16 minus 6, it will be 10 factorial, then 6 factorial, which can also be expressed as 16 factorial. This 16 factorial is equal to 16 times 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. We can stop at 6 because the lowest number of selection of the factorial here is 6 factorial. Then divided by 10 factorial will give me 10 multiplied by 9 by 8 by 7 by 6 by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2, and we have 6 factorial here, so that this 6 factorial can go with this 6 factorial. So here now I have 10 to 8 here. I have 10 to 8. This 10 can go with this 10. 9 can go with this 9. 8 can go with 8. 7 can go with this 7. 6. Okay, 6 cannot go with anything here. So I still have my 6 here. So this 2 here can go with this. I will have 6. 3 can go into 15 5 times. Then 4 here can go into 16 4 times. So what left here now is this 6 and 5. So I can say 4 times 5, 4 times 5 times 14 times 13 times 6 times 11 all over 6 times 5. I have 30, which is equal to 4 times 5 times 14 times 13 times 6 times 11 divided by 30. I'll have 8,006 ways. So the total numbers of ways to select 6 students out of 16 students is 8006 ways. So let us look at the Roman numeral 2 of the question. Roman numeral 2 say 5 must be male students. Out of this population, we have 9 male, 7 female. They say, and we are selecting 6 from this population. And the question says 5 must be male. 5 must be male. If 5 must be male, and the question say we should select 6 out of the whole population. If we select 5, so we are going to select 1 from female so that it will make it 6. So from here now, I can say 5, the numbers of male here, I'll have 9 male, 7 female. So we are selecting 5. The question say we should select 5 from male. I have 9 combination 5 multiplied by 7 combination 1. So that is 6 they ask us to select. So 9 combination 5 now have 9 factorial all over 9 minus 5 factorial 5 factorial. Then this multiplication, then 7 factorial all over 7 minus 1 factorial 1 factorial. So from here now, I can say 9 factorial all over 9 minus 5, I'll have 4 factorial 5 factorial. So then here now will be 7 factorial all over 7 minus 1, we have 6 factorial here, then 1 factorial. So from here now, I could say 9 factorial. 9 factorial is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial, because 4 is the lowest number of factorial in this expression. So all over 4 factorial here, and the 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that this 4 factorial can go with this 4 factorial, then 5 can go with this 5. Yes, then 4 can go into 8. I will have 2 here. Then 3 can go into 9. I have 3 also. Then if 2 go into 6, I have 3. So I have 3 times 2 times 7 times 3. This is only this part. Then multiply by 7 factorial, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 all over 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and 1 factorial is also 1. Any number times 1 is still that number. So from here now, 6 can go with the 6, 7 can go with this 7, 4 can go, 3 can cancel, 3 can cancel 2, it will remain 7 here. 7 divided by 1 is still 7. So 3 times 2 times 7 times 3 times 7, I will have 882 ways. So we have 882 ways of selecting 5 students from 9 male students and 1 student from 7 female students. So let us see the last Roman numeral 3. Say there must be gender inequality. So the Roman numeral 3 say there must be a gender equality. That means we are going to select equal from male and female. And the question said we should select 6 students. If column is 3 students, we are going to select 3 students from male student and 3 students from female student. So what we are going to have now is we have 9 male, then 7 female. So we are going to select 3 from here, select 3 from here, because the question says gender equality, equal. So 9 combination 3 multiplied by 7 combination 3. So 9 combination 3. If you follow what I solved and use this formula, you are going to have 84. If you solve 9 combination 3, then 7 combination 3, which will give me 35. 84 times 35 is 2940 ways. So 2,940 ways. So we have 2,940 ways of selecting 3 from male students and 3 from female student. And the number of male students is 9 and the female is 7. This is how to use a combination analysis to solve a word problem. Thanks for watching.